Hello everyone, and in this brief video I'll be going over the preliminary design of the Stump and Stump Junior treatment system. Our team, Team 1, consisting of Ariel, Vic, Sean, and I, aim to redesign, repurpose, and modernize the system to suit today's standards. Before further explaining the project, we must briefly understand a process known as acid mine drainage. Acid mine drainage is a process that occurs when water meets sulfide-bearing rocks and minerals, resulting in the production of sulfuric acid. This acid is then carried away by the water, causing a range of environmental and ecological problems. Our site is located within the Moshannon Creek Watershed, located in central Pennsylvania. The watershed covers approximately 700 square miles and includes parts of Centre, Clearfield, and Elk counties. Mining in the Moshannon Creek watershed began with the discovery of coal in the 1800s. The coal was mined using underground methods, and the resulting waste rock and coal slurry were disposed of in nearby streams. As a result, many of the streams in the watershed were heavily impacted by acid mine drainage, as highlighted in red in the picture. The treatment system is located near the town of Phillipsburg. The current system consists of 2 limestone beds and 1 settling pond. The inflow at Stump comes from a pipe, while the inflow at Stump Junior is from an underground seep. This means that the water quality can be recorded at Stump but not at Stump Junior. The water quality is acidic with high quantities of dissolved metals, the main pollutant being aluminum. The outflow at our site clearly doesn't meet the standard parameters for clean water set by BAMR, which is a cause for concern. Other problems come with the system having an insufficient amount of limestone, and the siphons usually end up getting clogged with precipitate. To determine the best approach to treating the water, we used the flowchart introduced by Neil Wolf. Based on the current conditions being net acid, iron less than 10 mg per litre, and aluminum over 1 mg per litre, the optimal treatment method is a limestone bed followed by a settling pod. This is in line with the current system in place, so we have an existing structure to work around and improve. We are considering 2 options for redesigning Stump and Stump Junior treatment system. Option 1 involves redesigning the Stump limestone bed due to insufficient area, while retaining the original design for both Stump Junior and the settling pond. An additional 1,928 feet square will be expanded to Stump limestone bed. Option 2 entails the replacement of Stump Junior with a 126 feet conveyance ditch and the expansion of Stump limestone bed. Based on the same AMD assumptions, the new total area required for the Stump limestone bed in the redesign is approximately 4,893 feet squared. After careful considerations, we decide that option 2 is the best approach. Option 2 has lower total option costs and lower total annual costs. Additionally, having 1 limestone bed will make future maintenance and monitoring inflow conditions much easier. In conclusion, acid mine drainage is a significant environmental issue, and it's important that we find ways to treat and mitigate its impact. By redesigning the Stump and Stump Junior treatment system, we hope to improve water quality at the site and minimize the negative effects of AMD on aquatic life.